guys, Booming Freesia here doing a little unboxing of this hot swappable side engraving keyboard. Looks pretty amazing. I like the different lights. It says it has 24 light modes, a blue switch, and PBT keys. So we'll get into this and we'll see what it's like. First thing on, with the keyboard the packaging. Oh, right up my alley. I like the purple and black keys. So cool. I love how they fade from light to dark. Look at that. And it's so tiny. It has a little stand here, so you don't always have to have it flat. You can have it at an angle while you're typing. And they collapse very easily in the back. Also comes in the box is its user guide. Instructions for using the hot plug function keyboard has hot swappable function, allowing you to replace the mechanical switch using a key puller to remove the keycap. So these buttons here are interchangeable. Every one of these is interchangeable buttons. That's kind of cool. You can play with this different ways and see which way you like the best. Connect your keyboard to a PC with a bundled Type-C cable, which it comes with. Pretty easy user manual. Not too much complicated instructions. In here, you have the power cable that goes to your computer. Very, very cool. This cable here connects here in the back. You'll see an opening here. And a cable goes right into there amazingly. Let's see this. Now maybe turn it on so you can see the light function. I have it plugged in. Let's see if the power is on. Maybe. Power is on. We have power going to the keyboard. All right, we have the keyboard lit up, guys. Look at this. Look how pretty she is all lit up. Look at that. And the lights just strobe across. So, so cool. Even right across the edging here, guys, you can see it. Look at that. Isn't she amazing? What a pretty, pretty keyboard. Yes, I love it. So, if you guys like it as much as I do, I hope you purchase it. See, it has the letters on the bottom of the keyboard instead on the bottom of the keys in front. So instead of you having them on top, they're over here in the front. I love it. Totally different. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you liked the video. Bye-bye.